Hi friends, here in this video I'll be explaining sensitive drilling machine. So let's get started. Now here is the diagram of the sensitive drilling machine. This drilling machine is basically used for light duty work, that is they are not used for heavy duty drilling operations. Now what do you mean by drilling operation? Drilling is a process by which we can produce cylindrical holes in the workpieces with the help of a multi-point cutting tool, also called as the drill, which is rotated at the same time fed axially into the workpiece. Now when we talk about sensitive drilling machine, as per the diagram which is there in front of us, here is the base of this sensitive drilling machine. This base can be mounted directly onto the floor or onto the table, or we can say onto the machine table. Then we have a vertical column here, and over that column we are having the driving heads which are attached. These driving head are having cone pulley, as we can see on both the sides. Cone pulley carries the V belt, as we can see here. With the help of the cone pulley and V belt arrangement, we can get different speeds of the drill spindle. Here is the drill spindle which is attached inside the sleeve, and the drill is attached in this vertical drill spindle, as we can see here, and it is called as vertical drill spindle because the axis of this drill is vertical, as we can see here. This is the drill axis, and it is called a sensitive drilling machine. The reason behind it is that here we have a lever, and this lever is used to give feed to the drill into the workpiece, and the feed which is given here, it is a manual feed. It means there would be an operator which would be operating this lever, and when the lever is operated, the operator can sense the amount of cutting action. So that is why it is also called as a sensitive drilling machine. And the function of various parts are, for example, when we have the base of the machine, the base of the machine would carry the maximum amount of cutting forces which are coming onto this machine, that is it would be transferred to the base, and through the base it would be transferred to the floor or the table on which the machine is mounted. Next, after that, here we have a vertical column, as can be seen here. This column acts as the supporting member of the machine. At the same time, column is that element inside which most of the electric work of the machine is done. Like on this vertical column, inside it there would be the electrical wirings and all which provides the drive to the motor. So here we have electrical work inside this column. At the same time, the column is exactly perpendicular to the base, and as far as the base is concerned, it is used for one more application. Like for example, the base may also act as the storage for the coolant. And next, after this vertical column, here we have the table. Table carries the T slots. These are the T slots. T slots helps to clamp or to locate the workpiece on this table with the help of bolts. At the same time, when we have T slots onto the table, that also drives away the chip when the coolant is flowing. Then, so that is the function of the table. Then we have this sleeve which is hollow, inside which the vertical drill spindle is mounted, and finally the drill is mounted inside this vertical drill spindle. And then we can have various different speeds for this drill with the help of the cone pulley arrangement. Like for example, the V belt would be shifted on this cone on both the sides, and we can accordingly adjust the speed for this drilling machine. The driving motor provides the drive to this cone pulley, and here also we have the head, and along this column, here this head can be translated up and down, that is we can adjust the height according to the workpiece which is mounted. So basically, sensitive drilling machine is a very simple type of machine used for drilling holes of light duty application, and we can drill holes up to a limit of diameter 1.5 mm to diameter 15.5 mm can be drilled with the help of the sensitive drilling machine. So in short, that was an explanation regarding the sensitive drilling machine. At the end, if you all find my videos helpful, you all can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.